Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. And thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
So I'm going to do fried chicken now. Because actually not enough. You know what you think. Alright, so we clean up our chicken. Yep. You clean out the crevices of the bone. Get out all those debris, blood clots. I never cut a bad one, you know what to serve you. Alright, now I'm trying to edit my video. My mom should line and cook. As anytime I come to Jamaica, you choose to go, you know. I realize you don't like me. See, anytime I come to Jamaica, you always sleep out. And your boyfriend, you had on top where they work. For the fried chicken now, once you have the thigh, this is a bit frozen because I just buy them, right? Once you have the thigh, you hold the bone like this, and you hold down here, you crack that. Boom. So you see that bone right there? This is why thigh meat takes so long to cook, because that bone have all the blood when you fry your chicken. So you break that, snap that, then you push it back in place. So once you fry the chicken, it fries nicely and there's no blood left in the middle of the chicken, you see? So your thigh will cook quicker next time. So scrape off that. See, sometimes you have a little bit of feather on there, so you want to clean that up properly. You just use like a brush motion with a knife and you just take that right off easily. No pressure. Boom. Nice and clean. If you eat this down to the bone, you see it. Yeah. So we're going to go with some vinegar, white vinegar, about quarter cup again. That's how we clean our meat in Jamaica. Vinegar and lime with water. So done.
Jump forward.
So squeeze some lime. I'll use 2 lime, nice and juicy. Yes, sir. Wash off all that debris. Give that a second rinse to get off the excess taste of the vinegar. I don't have no hand towel. Normally if I have paper towel, I'd pat dry these to the nice and dry, but unfortunately I don't have any. So come now, seasoning. All-purpose seasoning again of your choice. And we're going to go in because this is about 3 pounds. Not about, this is 3 pounds of chicken. So we're going to use 2.5 tablespoons of all-purpose. Of course, fried chicken have to have some black pepper in a heat. You see me? And the chicken is spicy, it's nice. So a teaspoon of that in there. And a Scotch bonnet pepper. My secret to fried chicken one. Normally I'd have this blended. You know what I say? And as I said, for best results, season and marinate overnight. And I would want this to chop finer than this. But as I said, we're just gonna work with what we have. A teaspoon of garlic powder. Typically I'd add some onion powder, but I don't have any at the moment. 1 teaspoon of paprika, smoked paprika. Give that color as well as some added flavor. Alright, so we're just gonna season this up. Rub that in. These were cold, so we'll leave them out on the countertop, and because it's last minute, you want them to marinate for at least half an hour. So this is what we do when we cook chicken, when we wash clean chicken in our sink. You soak it down fully. Rinse this out and then we spray bleach and let it sit. Add some oil to the pot. I'm going to use about 3 cups of oil, 2.5 to 3 cups of oil. Fry this chicken nice and crispy. I'm just going to let this heat up for about 5 minutes or so to come to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. After which, We'll bread the chicken, fry them up nice and crunchy. Alright, so we're gonna fry the chicken, season up with a little bit of all-purpose. Come on, man. Just a little bit, not a lot. A little bit of black pepper. We're just gonna mix that. So now, grab our chicken, flour, pull down the skin, flour. Always pull back the skin because that's how you're gonna get that nice crispy. So that's well seasoned. Nice. Now we're just gonna bread. So give it a nice little toss. Get that fully coated. Press it down. Alright. Shake off the excess flour. Get that in the water. I use milk sometimes. Most times I use the water. Pick that back up. Drain the excess. Back in the flour. Oil is already heated to 325, sorry. I'll give that a second bread. Press that down to get all the seasoning there. Nice. Yeah, man. You pull the skin, and if you have any bare spots, you squeeze that on there. Because you know it's fried chicken, you pull that skin down gently. Grab your hand, fill your hand with some flour, squeeze it onto the chicken. Top it off. Top it off. Beautiful. It's gonna go into our hot oil now. Like so. You don't want to damage all of that flakes. You make this fry for about 2 minutes, then you can stir it and sink everything down into the oil. Yo, the oil is getting too cold, man. The oil. Oh, that's slow, that's slow. Huh? I say slow? I like the fox of the oil. So you see it, I make the flakes fall off because it got soggy. You see me? In order to keep the flakes on there, you don't want the oil to cool up. But they had to change location, come over by my brother's apartment because, yeah, the oil, my mother's stove is too slow. Barbecue a few of them. You know, I say fry some of them. Mommy oil just went down on me, so mommy stove is not so fast, so it didn't make my chicken flaky. But we're here. Rice and peas. Nice. And who you man? Yeah, the oxtail. Stir it up a bit. Highly requested by Roger. Oxtail are here. Get some of that sauce. Want both of them right now?
No, this is the fry for now.
Fry for now? You like leg?
Yeah, man.
You got fried leg right there. You got a few plantain. We'll just go right here. Roger like coleslaw and stuff. That dinner I was requested by Roger and so I never cooked him yet. So let's see what's happening, my boy. Welcome to Jamaica, my friend. And welcome to my kitchen. This is from me to you.
Thanks very much.
Fried chicken, plantain, coleslaw, and rice and peas. You know the vibe. Show the people the thing. There you have it, the fried chicken, the oxtail, the plantain, the rice and peas and coleslaw. Try it out. Let me see what I got. I'm a J. Alright, go ahead now, Roger. Oxtail taste. Oxtail, do you want in brother? Cut it. And big up yourself. Enjoy the meal, my guy.
No, I'm speechless.
Enjoy the meal, I really
Good.
like it.